Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Greg Michalowski for ForexLive.com. Today's date is March 30th, 2016. I'm going to focus on my video this morning on the sterling versus US dollar. When I look at a chart, I try to find areas where there is a bullish above, bearish below type of sentiment. For example, if we were to look at the lows through here, or look at this area right here, what do we see? Well, we see the price finding support again right here. Then we see a break and a resistance right here. We see a resistance right here. We see the price move above it, and we see support coming down here. So this automatically gets my attention, where it's bullish above and bearish below, bullish above. And when we come back and visit that area right here, what does the market do? It finds support against that level because it's bullish above, and it's on its way pretty quickly to the downside here, finds support against the level. And what do we do in maybe last week's trading? We came right down to this low right here and found support again. So this whole area here, this line becomes a line in the sand, and it was developed. It was developed way over here. Okay, the reason why the market found support here and here was because what happened before. Traders see that. They understand that they can define risk and limit risk against those levels, and that's what they do. If the market would have gone below this level right here, we would have been on the bearish side of the fence. Okay, and the same goes true up here, but this area is a little bit different. Well, it was developed, maybe not so. It was developed back here. We saw a low right here. We saw a swing low right here. We fell below that level and found some sellers here, found some sellers here, found some sellers here. You can see bullish above, bearish below, trying to stay below. Now, we got a little weird through here, only because the moving averages is kind of getting in the way. So we did find, we went below the yellow area here and found support against the 100-bar moving average here, and then reestablished as the 100-bar moving average came closer here. I'll just draw these lines through here. Again, a little torquey here, but we have the moving averages up there protecting against that as well. So back here is where all this, bullish above, bearish below, bullish above, bearish below. And so we get to the month of March, and we have a couple instances where the market moves above it here just for a few hours or a half a day or so. And then this is for 3 or 4 days where the market traded above. And we did have some bullish momentum through here that was different. We started to trade above this level. Well, where are we now? We're right again above this yellow area, this line in the sand. And so we are looking more bullish. Now we do have some resistance up ahead, which may have caused the market to get a little bit anxious, I guess, against this trend line. This trend line has 1, 2, and now, well, we didn't quite get up to that line, but that's going to be our next target on the top side here for the sterling versus US dollar, only if we're able to stay above the line in the sand that was developed way back here. And I still respect, because I think the market sees that level. Indeed, in trading here last night and today, when the market came down after moving above it yesterday, we did find support in that yellow area, in that line in the sand area. And if the bulls are going to remain in control, I would expect that they would come in against that level and lean against that level with stops below. So risk is defined, risk is limited, but if the market should bounce off of that level, we could go up and test that topside trend line, and if we move above that level, then we start to open up the doors for highs here, and then other areas up here where we had a double top-ish type of area, and up here we could head up toward those levels. So there you have it, kind of a little look at the sterling versus US dollar, and also a little educational view of how I look at the market and how I develop these lines in the sand. My name is Greg Michalowski. If you liked this video, make sure you click on the thumbs up on our YouTube page. If you don't like it, you can click on the thumbs down as well. So feel free to do that. Also, if you want to get on our mailing list for YouTube videos, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.